This is the Palacio de Bellas Artes, cultural type of center. And when we're done here, looking at Diego Rivera murals, over to Alameda Park. I'm thinking this is the most majestic building I've seen so far on this trip to Mexico. Massive in a somewhat, sounds strange, light way. Art Deco, it almost seems like. Very, very pretty. Whatever this marble is. And there a pink marble up there. Such an elegant and solid looking place. They're an allusion to the early culture, Teotihuacan. Unlike many parks, this park has benches everywhere, so you can actually sit and enjoy this place. This is a statue tribute to Beethoven. This is the same pose, just a very rough version of a statue I saw at the Bosque Anthropology Museum. A man of leisure. Looking across the park now, I mean from side to side. Zeus, I assume. some reason there's a huge cluster of police here and they're just hanging out. For whatever reason, I don't know. This is a central area. You have to climb over this little fence to get to it, which may be one of the reasons that it's in nice condition. Looks like it has some kind of flowers in there. This is the Jardín de la Soledad, back down to the southwest corner of Alameda Central, the Central Park. Very pretty place. There is the San Francisco Plaza, or Plaza de San Francisco. Far northwest corner, I think it's northwest judging by the sun. We'll go over and visit that church. And the church at the end. Nicely designed with a little patio area surrounded by the greenery and lots of benches to sit in. This columned area behind that looks to be some impressive gravestones, perhaps obviously of notables from either the church or the time. Interesting look at the construction here. The buttresses, a flying buttress, believe it or not, all out of that original volcanic rock. Very nicely maintained. Here you can see that the person who does it is working on his plant sculpture. Woman in the background, this looks like a man with a chicken, a large chicken. If only they knew how little anyone cared. All their piety and wit. Simple but interesting design. Someone has stolen the statue, I assume would be up there, but I see that a lot. Be nice if there were some way to get a view of that top of that dome. This was the first church that I went in when I crossed that intersection. Not the one after the park.